Our planet is home to billions of animals. Yet none are quite like the mammals. Warm-blooded and adaptable, they breathe air, nurture their young with milk, and thrive across every corner of Earth. From the soaring bat to the mighty whale, from the dense forests to the open plains, mammals have conquered land, sea, and sky. They display intelligence, emotion, and powerful bonds of family. And now, as part of our A to Z series, we begin a journey through the world of mammals. A to Z mammals of our planet. Let's start the video. Don't forget to subscribe. African elephant is the largest land mammal on Earth. Known for its massive size, long trunk, and large fan-like ears. These gentle giants play a vital role in their ecosystems by shaping the landscape as they feed on trees, shrubs, and grasses. Their tusks, which are actually elongated incisors, are used for digging, stripping bark, and defending themselves when necessary. African elephants live in herds led by a matriarch, and their social bonds are strong, with deep communication through vocalizations and even low-frequency sounds that travel long distances. Sadly, they are endangered due to poaching for ivory and habitat loss. The alpaca is a domesticated animal native to South America, particularly in the Andes Mountains of Peru, Bolivia, and Chile. Related to llamas, alpacas are smaller and prized for their incredibly soft fleece, which is used to make warm and luxurious textiles. These gentle and social herd animals graze on grasses and are highly adapted to high altitudes. They communicate with each other using humming sounds and are known for their calm nature, although they sometimes spit to show dominance or annoyance. For centuries, alpacas have been a vital part of Andean culture and economy. The antelope is a graceful herbivore found across Africa and parts of Asia, known for its speed, agility, and long, slender legs. With many different species ranging from the small dik-dik to the large eland, antelopes thrive in diverse habitats, including grasslands, savannas, and deserts. They are prey for big cats and other predators, so their survival depends on their keen senses and ability to run at remarkable speeds. Many species live in herds, offering protection in numbers, and their horns, often curved or spiraled, are used for defense and competition among males during mating season. The armadillo is a unique mammal native to the Americas, especially South and Central America, though the nine-banded armadillo is also found in the southern United States. They are easily recognized by their tough, armor-like plates that cover their bodies. Armadillos dig burrows for shelter and feed on insects, grubs, and plants, using their strong claws to forage. Some species can curl into a ball as a defense mechanism, though not all can perform this trick. They are nocturnal and solitary by nature, relying on their armor for protection from predators. The anteater is a specialized mammal known for its long snout and sticky tongue, which it uses to feed on ants and termites. Native to Central and South America, there are 4 species, with the giant anteater being the largest. Despite lacking teeth, anteaters consume thousands of insects daily, tearing into nests with their strong claws. They are slow-moving but highly adapted to their insect diet. With their shaggy coats and unique appearance, anteaters are one of the most distinctive insect-eating mammals in the world. Baboons are large, intelligent monkeys found mainly in Africa and parts of Arabia, living in troops that can number over 100 members. They are highly social animals, communicating through vocal calls, facial expressions, and gestures, and spend much of their time foraging for fruits, seeds, roots, insects, and occasionally small animals. Known for their dog-like snouts, sharp teeth, and strong bodies, baboons are both powerful and adaptable, while grooming among troop members strengthens social bonds and maintains group harmony. Badgers are small but robust mammals, known for their bold and fearless nature. Spending most of their lives digging intricate underground homes called setts that can be used for generations. They are nocturnal omnivores, feeding on earthworms, insects, fruits, roots, and occasionally small animals. Equipped with strong claws and muscular bodies, badgers are expert diggers and use their burrows for safety, making them both resourceful and courageous despite their modest size. Bats are the only true flying mammals, with over 1,400 species found worldwide, playing crucial roles in ecosystems as pollinators, seed dispersers, and controllers of insect populations. Their wings are made of thin skin stretched over elongated fingers, giving them agility in flight, while many species navigate and hunt in complete darkness using echolocation, sending out high-frequency sounds that bounce back as echoes. Living in colonies that range from a few individuals to millions, bats are highly social and essential for maintaining ecological balance. Beavers are large, semi-aquatic rodents famous for their skill in building dams, lodges, and canals using wood, branches, and mud, creating ponds that protect them from predators and provide easy access to food. With strong, continuously growing teeth, beavers can cut through trees efficiently, while their flat, paddle-shaped tails help them swim, balance, and communicate. Known as nature's engineers, beavers work tirelessly to shape their environment, leaving a lasting impact on ecosystems wherever they live. Bears are large, powerful mammals found in forests, mountains, and tundra across the world, including species such as brown bears, black bears, and polar bears. They are omnivores, with diets ranging from berries, nuts, and roots to fish and small mammals, and some species, like the polar bear, rely heavily on seals for survival. Bears are strong swimmers and climbers, and despite their size, they can move with surprising speed and agility. Mostly solitary, they communicate through scent markings, vocalizations, and body language. Hibernation is a remarkable adaptation in many bear species, allowing them to survive harsh winters by slowing their metabolism and living off stored fat. Highly intelligent and curious, bears play an important role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystems they inhabit. The blue whale is the largest animal to have ever lived on Earth, reaching lengths of up to 100 feet and weights of 200 tons or more. These gentle giants are found in oceans worldwide and feed almost exclusively on tiny shrimp-like creatures called krill, consuming several tons each day during feeding seasons. Despite their enormous size, blue whales are graceful swimmers and can reach speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour. They communicate using powerful, low-frequency sounds that can travel across vast ocean distances. Buffalo, also known as the African buffalo or water buffalo depending on the species, are large, strong herbivores found in grasslands, savannas, and wetlands. They live in herds that provide protection against predators such as lions and crocodiles. Buffalo are known for their thick horns, muscular bodies, and incredible stamina, which make them formidable animals in the wild. They graze on grasses and other vegetation, playing an important role in shaping their ecosystems. Buffalo are social and intelligent, displaying cooperation within the herd, particularly when defending young or injured members. Camel is a remarkable desert animal perfectly adapted to survive in harsh, arid environments. Found mainly in the Middle East, Africa, and parts of Asia, camels are known as the ships of the desert because of their ability to travel long distances with little food or water. Their distinctive humps store fat, not water, which they use as energy when resources are scarce. Camels have thick eyelashes and nostrils that can close to protect against sand, and their wide, padded feet allow them to walk on soft desert sand without sinking. They have been essential to human civilizations for centuries, serving as pack animals and providing milk, meat, and even wool. The capybara is the largest rodent in the world, native to South America, where it inhabits wetlands, rivers, and grassy plains. Gentle and social, capybaras live in groups and are semi-aquatic, spending much of their time in or near water. They are excellent swimmers, with partially webbed feet that help them move effortlessly through rivers and lakes. Capybaras feed mainly on grasses and aquatic plants, and they are often seen coexisting peacefully with a variety of animals, even allowing birds to perch on their backs. Their calm and friendly nature has made them popular among wildlife enthusiasts worldwide. The chimpanzee is one of our closest living relatives, sharing about 98 to 99% of human DNA. Native to the forests and savannas of Africa, chimpanzees are highly intelligent primates known for their problem-solving skills, tool use, and complex social structures. They live in communities called troops and communicate through vocalizations, gestures, and facial expressions. Chimpanzees have a varied diet that includes fruits, leaves, insects, and occasionally small animals. Their playful and curious nature mirrors that of humans, but they are also capable of aggression and strong dominance behaviors. Sadly, their populations are threatened by habitat destruction and hunting. The cow is one of the most important domesticated animals in human history. Valued for its milk, meat, leather, and as a source of labor in many cultures. Cows are gentle herbivores that graze on grasses and have a unique digestive system with 4 stomach compartments, allowing them to efficiently break down plant material. They are social creatures that often form strong bonds within their herds, communicating through low moos and body language. Beyond their agricultural importance, cows also hold cultural and religious significance in many societies, symbolizing abundance, nourishment, and even sacredness. The cheetah is the fastest land animal on Earth, capable of reaching speeds up to 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per hour, in short bursts. Found mainly in parts of Africa, cheetahs are built for speed with slender bodies, long legs, and distinctive black tear marks running down their faces, which help reduce glare from the sun. They hunt primarily during the day, chasing down antelopes and other small prey with incredible precision. Unlike lions or leopards, cheetahs do not roar, but instead produce chirps, growls, and purrs. Unfortunately, they are vulnerable due to habitat loss, human conflict, and declining prey populations. The cat is one of the most beloved domesticated animals worldwide. Cherished both as a companion and as a skilled hunter. Descended from the African wildcat, domestic cats have lived alongside humans for thousands of years. They are independent yet affectionate, known for their agility, sharp senses, and playful behavior. Cats are natural predators, often hunting rodents, birds, and insects. But they also enjoy long hours of rest and grooming. With their wide range of breeds, colors, and personalities, cats have become a part of human culture, mythology, and daily life, symbolizing mystery, grace, and companionship. Dog breeds. The Dachshund. These small, elongated dogs, often called wiener dogs, are adored for their playful nature and unique appearance. But behind their charming looks lies a heartbreaking truth. Decades of selective breeding have left them with severe health issues that impact their quality of life. Dachshunds were originally bred for hunting badgers, which required a long body and short legs. However, excessive breeding for these features has resulted in serious spinal problems. Their long backs put them at high risk of intervertebral disc disease, IVDD, a painful condition that can lead to paralysis. Many dachshunds suffer from slipped discs, requiring costly surgeries and lifelong care. Even jumping off furniture can cause permanent spinal damage. Another sad reality is that these dogs often experience chronic pain and mobility issues as they age. Their short legs make it difficult to navigate stairs or rough terrain, limiting their ability to live a fully active life. Additionally, many dachshunds are prone to obesity, which worsens their spinal issues and leads to other health complications like diabetes and heart disease. Despite these challenges, dachshunds remain one of the most popular breeds worldwide. But is their suffering worth the price of their cute appearance? As dog lovers, we must advocate for ethical breeding practices that prioritize health over aesthetics. If you're considering getting a dachshund, adopt from reputable breeders or shelters that focus on improving the breed's well-being, rather than just looks. The dolphin is one of the most intelligent and charismatic marine mammals found in oceans and rivers around the globe. Known for their playful behavior and high intelligence, dolphins live in social groups called pods and communicate through clicks, whistles, and body movements. They are excellent swimmers, capable of leaping gracefully out of the water, and they use echolocation to hunt fish and navigate their surroundings. Dolphins are often seen helping each other and even assisting injured pod members, showing their strong social bonds. Their beauty, intelligence, and friendly nature have made them symbols of freedom and joy across many cultures. The deer is a graceful herbivore found across almost every continent, inhabiting forests, grasslands, and even mountainous regions. Known for their slender bodies, long legs, and antlers, present in males of most species, deer are symbols of beauty and gentleness. They graze mainly on grass, leaves, and twigs, playing an important role in shaping vegetation in their habitats. Deer are prey for many predators, which has made them alert and agile. capable of moving quickly and silently through the wild. With their seasonal migrations and iconic antlers, deer are admired worldwide as one of the most enchanting wild animals. The donkey is a hardy, domesticated animal that has been a loyal helper to humans for thousands of years. Known for their strength, endurance, and sure-footedness, donkeys have been used to carry loads, pull carts, and work in agriculture, especially in rugged or dry landscapes where other animals struggle. They are smaller and more resilient than horses, capable of surviving on limited food and water. Donkeys are also intelligent and cautious, often mistaken for being stubborn when they are simply assessing danger. Gentle and hardworking, they remain one of humanity's most reliable animal companions. The elephant is the largest land animal on Earth, known for its intelligence, strength, and complex social bonds. Found mainly in Africa and Asia, elephants are easily recognized by their trunks, which are versatile tools used for breathing, smelling, grasping, and even communicating. Their large ears help regulate body temperature, while their tusks, which are elongated teeth, are used for digging, stripping bark, and defense. Elephants live in herds led by a matriarch, and their social behavior includes cooperation, mourning, and deep family ties. Sadly, they are endangered due to habitat loss and poaching, but they remain symbols of wisdom, memory, and majesty. The gazelle is a slender and graceful antelope found in the grasslands, deserts, and savannas of Africa and Asia. Known for their incredible speed and agility, gazelles can reach up to 60 miles per hour and perform high leaps called stotting to confuse predators like cheetahs and lions. They are herbivores, feeding mainly on grasses and shrubs, and they live in herds for safety and companionship. With their delicate horns, alert eyes, and elegant build, gazelles are symbols of beauty and swiftness in the wild. The giraffe is the tallest animal on Earth, native to the African savannas and open woodlands. Their long necks and legs allow them to reach leaves high in acacia trees that few other animals can access. Despite their height, giraffes have only 7 neck vertebrae, just like humans, but each one is greatly elongated. They live in loose social groups and communicate with subtle sounds, including infrasonic calls that humans cannot hear. Giraffes are gentle giants, and their patterned coats serve as camouflage in the wild. Their unique appearance makes them one of the most iconic animals of Africa. The goat is one of the earliest domesticated animals valued by humans for its milk, meat, and wool. Found in many parts of the world, goats are highly adaptable, living in mountains, deserts, and farms. They are known for their curious and playful behavior, often climbing steep rocks and even trees in search of food. Goats are herbivores with strong digestive systems that allow them to eat a variety of plants, including those too tough for other animals. They are social creatures that live in herds, and their resilience has made them a symbol of hardiness and independence. The gorilla is the largest living primate, found in the forests of Central and Western Africa. Gorillas live in family groups called troops, led by a dominant male known as a silverback. They are primarily herbivores, eating leaves, fruits, and stems, though their massive strength allows them to break branches with ease. Despite their size and power, gorillas are gentle, intelligent, and capable of showing emotions like joy, sadness, and compassion. They communicate through gestures, vocalizations, and facial expressions, and they share about 98% of their DNA with humans. Sadly, gorillas are endangered due to poaching and habitat destruction. The hamster is a small, burrowing rodent, often kept as a pet, but also found in the wild across parts of Europe and Asia. Known for their round bodies, short tails, and expandable cheek pouches, hamsters can store large amounts of food to carry back to their underground nests. They are primarily nocturnal, spending much of the day sleeping and becoming active at night to forage. In captivity, hamsters are loved for their playful and curious nature, often seen running on exercise wheels or exploring tunnels. Their ability to adapt to human care has made them one of the most popular small pets worldwide. The hare is a fast and alert mammal related to rabbits, but distinct in its behavior and appearance. With long legs and large ears, hares are built for speed and can outrun many predators, reaching speeds of up to 45 miles per hour. Unlike rabbits, hares live above ground in shallow depressions rather than burrows. And their young, called leverets, are born fully furred and able to move shortly after birth. They are herbivores, feeding on grasses and plants, and play an important role in the food chain. Hares symbolize agility, alertness, and fertility in many cultures. The hippopotamus is one of the heaviest land mammals, native to rivers, lakes, and wetlands of sub-Saharan Africa. Despite their bulky size and seemingly calm nature, hippos are among the most dangerous animals in Africa due to their strength, speed, and territorial behavior. They spend much of the day submerged in water to keep cool, emerging at night to graze on grasses. Hippos have large mouths and powerful jaws equipped with long tusks used for fighting and defense. Social animals, they live in groups called pods, often seen basking or wallowing together in rivers. Their mix of charm and danger makes them one of Africa's. Our planet is filled with a breathtaking variety of birds, each with its own unique beauty and remarkable abilities. Some glide silently through the night, while others soar high above rivers and forests, searching with incredible precision. Vibrant feathers and dazzling colors light up the skies, creating scenes of pure wonder. Some birds thrive in bustling cities, adapting perfectly to human surroundings, while others remain hidden in dense forests or marshlands, moving with caution and grace. Intelligent and playful species captivate us with their clever behaviors, mimicking sounds and forming strong bonds. From the tiniest flutters to powerful wings cutting through the air, birds showcase the perfect harmony of freedom, adaptability, and elegance. They remind us of the endless diversity of life on Earth and inspire awe at every glance into the sky. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's start the video. The Adelie penguin is a small but resilient bird that inhabits the icy coasts of Antarctica. With their distinctive tuxedo-like black and white plumage, they are excellent swimmers and spend much of their lives in the water hunting for krill, fish, and squid. On land, Adelie penguins gather in large colonies to breed, often traveling long distances across ice to reach their nesting sites. They build simple nests out of stones and are fiercely protective of their eggs and chicks. Despite the harsh climate, they have adapted remarkably well to one of the coldest places on Earth. The avocet is an elegant wading bird easily recognized by its long, upturned bill and striking black and white plumage. Found in wetlands, marshes, and shallow lakes, avocets use their slender bills to sweep through the water, feeding on small insects, crustaceans, and other invertebrates. Their long legs allow them to wade gracefully in search of food. These birds often nest in colonies, providing safety in numbers, and they are also known for their protective nature when guarding their chicks from predators. Bats are the only true flying mammals, with over 1,400 species found worldwide, playing crucial roles in ecosystems as pollinators, seed dispersers, and controllers of insect populations. Their wings are made of thin skin stretched over elongated fingers, giving them agility in flight, while many species navigate and hunt in complete darkness using echolocation, sending out high-frequency sounds that bounce back as echoes. Living in colonies that range from a few individuals to millions, bats are highly social and essential for maintaining ecological balance. The bald eagle is a majestic bird of prey native to North America, easily recognized by its white head and tail contrasting with a dark brown body and wings. It primarily feeds on fish, which it captures with its sharp talons, and is known for its incredible eyesight that allows it to spot prey from great distances. Bald eagles build enormous nests called eyries, often in tall trees or cliffs near water bodies, which they reuse and expand year after year. These powerful birds are symbols of strength, freedom, and resilience, and their populations have rebounded in recent decades thanks to conservation efforts. Blackbird. Blackbirds are medium-sized songbirds commonly found across Europe, Asia, and parts of Africa. They are known for their glossy black feathers in males and rich, melodic songs that are often heard at dawn and dusk. Omnivorous by nature, blackbirds feed on insects, worms, berries, and seeds, adapting their diet according to seasonal availability. They build cup-shaped nests in shrubs, trees, or hedges, raising their young with care and attention. Blackbirds are highly adaptable and often live close to human settlements, demonstrating intelligence and resourcefulness in finding food. The blue jay is a striking bird native to North America. Easily recognized by its bright blue plumage, white chest, and black markings around the neck and eyes. Known for their intelligence and strong social behavior, blue jays often gather in noisy groups and are excellent mimics. Capable of imitating the calls of other birds, even hawks. They are omnivorous, feeding on nuts, seeds, insects, and occasionally small vertebrates. Blue jays also play a role in forest regeneration by burying acorns, some of which later grow into trees. While they may seem aggressive, particularly around feeders, their vibrant color and lively personality make them a favorite among birdwatchers. The black swan is a graceful water bird native to Australia, though it has been introduced to other parts of the world as well. Unlike the more common white swan, the black swan has dark plumage with striking red beaks and white wingtips visible in flight. They are often found in lakes, rivers, and wetlands, where they feed on aquatic plants and algae. Black swans are monogamous and known for their lifelong pair bonds, often raising their cygnets together. Their elegant movements and unique coloring have made them a symbol of rarity and mystery in many cultures. The cassowary is a large, flightless bird, native to the tropical rainforests of Australia, New Guinea, and nearby islands. Known for its striking blue neck, red wattles, and tall helmet-like casque, the cassowary is both beautiful and formidable. Often called the world's most dangerous bird, it has powerful legs equipped with sharp claws that can deliver dangerous kicks if threatened. Despite this reputation, cassowaries are shy and solitary, feeding mainly on fruits, fungi, and small animals, making them vital seed dispersers in their ecosystems. Their secretive nature and vibrant appearance make them one of the most fascinating rainforest inhabitants. The chicken is one of the most widespread domesticated animals on Earth. Kept by humans for thousands of years for their eggs, meat, and companionship. Originally descended from the red jungle fowl of Asia, chickens now live across the globe in both farms and households. They are highly social birds, often establishing hierarchies known as pecking orders within flocks. Chickens are omnivores, pecking at grains, insects, and plants. And they communicate through a wide range of clucks, calls, and body movements. Beyond their economic importance, chickens also play a role in cultural traditions, folklore, and even scientific research. The coot is a water bird commonly found in wetlands, lakes, and ponds across Europe, Asia, and North America. Recognizable by its black plumage, white beak, and red eyes, the coot is both an excellent swimmer and diver. Unlike ducks, coots have lobed toes instead of fully webbed feet, which help them navigate both water and land. They feed on aquatic plants, insects, and small invertebrates. During breeding season, coots are fiercely territorial, often engaging in noisy disputes to defend their nests. Despite their modest size, they are highly resilient birds that adapt well to changing environments. The crane is a tall, elegant bird known for its long legs, slender neck, and graceful courtship dances. Found on every continent except South America and Antarctica, cranes inhabit wetlands, grasslands, and marshes. They are omnivorous, feeding on seeds, plants, insects, and small animals. Cranes are celebrated in many cultures as symbols of peace, longevity, and good fortune, particularly in Asia. Their elaborate dances involving leaps, bows, and wing displays strengthen pair bonds and are a spectacular sight in the wild. Unfortunately, many crane species are endangered due to habitat loss and hunting, making them a focus of global conservation efforts. The crow is one of the most intelligent and adaptable birds in the world, found on nearly every continent. With glossy black feathers and sharp eyes, crows are highly social creatures that live in groups called murders. They are omnivorous, feeding on everything from grains and fruits to insects, small animals, and even carrion. Known for their problem-solving skills, tool use, and remarkable memory, crows are often considered among the smartest of all birds. They communicate using a wide range of calls, and even show behaviors like mourning their dead. In many cultures, crows are symbols of mystery, transformation, and wisdom. The duck is a waterfowl commonly found in lakes, rivers, wetlands, and coastal areas across the world. Ducks are highly adaptable birds with webbed feet for swimming and waterproof feathers that keep them dry in water. They feed on a wide variety of foods, including plants, insects, and small aquatic animals. Ducks are also known for their migratory journeys, traveling long distances during seasonal changes. Many species are valued for their beauty, with males often having bright plumage. Beyond their ecological role, ducks have been domesticated for eggs, meat, and feathers, making them important to humans as well. The falcon is a powerful bird of prey, admired for its speed, precision, and sharp eyesight. Falcons are found worldwide, inhabiting open areas, deserts, and cliffs. They are skilled hunters, swooping down at incredible speeds to catch birds and small animals in midair. The peregrine falcon is the fastest animal on Earth, capable of diving at over 200 miles per hour. Falcons have been associated with humans for centuries through the practice of falconry, where trained birds assist in hunting. They are symbols of freedom, focus, and strength across many cultures. The flamingo is a tall, wading bird famous for its bright pink feathers, long neck, and slender legs. Found in lakes, lagoons, and wetlands, flamingos feed on algae, shrimp, and other small organisms, which give them their striking pink color through pigments called carotenoids. They are highly social and often gather in large flocks, performing synchronized displays that strengthen group bonds. Flamingos are also unique for their upside-down feeding method, using their specialized beaks to filter food from the water. Their elegance and vibrant color make them some of the most iconic birds in the world. The great tit is a small but vibrant songbird commonly found across Europe and Asia. Recognizable by its yellow chest, black head, and cheerful calls, this bird thrives in woodlands, gardens, and parks. Great tits are adaptable feeders, eating insects, seeds, and berries, and they often visit backyard feeders. They are also known for their intelligence and problem-solving skills, with studies showing their ability to learn new behaviors quickly. Their lively songs bring life to forests and fields, making them a favorite among birdwatchers. The hornbill is a striking bird found in Asia and Africa. Instantly recognizable by its large, curved bill, often topped with a casque. Hornbills are unique for their nesting behavior. The female seals herself inside a tree cavity with mud and droppings, leaving only a small opening through which the male delivers food until the chicks are ready to emerge. They feed on fruits, insects, and small animals, making them vital seed dispersers in their ecosystems. With their vibrant colors, dramatic calls, and fascinating breeding habits, hornbills are among the most extraordinary tropical birds. The hen is the female of the domestic chicken, one of the most widely kept animals in the world. Hens are valued for their steady production of eggs and are central to human diets across cultures. They are social birds that establish a hierarchy, often called the pecking order, within their flocks. Hens communicate with a variety of clucks and calls, including distinct sounds to alert chicks of food or danger. Beyond their role in farming, hens symbolize nurturing and motherhood, as they carefully protect and warm their eggs until they hatch. The harpy eagle is one of the largest and most powerful eagles in the world. Native to the rainforests of Central and South America, with its striking black and white plumage, feathered crest, and massive talons, it is a fearsome predator capable of hunting monkeys, sloths, and large birds. Despite its strength, the harpy eagle is elusive, spending much of its life in dense canopy forests. It symbolizes majesty and power in many indigenous cultures, but is sadly endangered due to deforestation. The harpy eagle's regal appearance and incredible hunting skills make it a true king of the skies. The hummingbird is a tiny bird found only in the Americas. Renowned for its ability to hover in place by beating its wings up to 80 times per second. These birds feed on nectar, using their long, slender beaks and specialized tongues, while also playing an essential role in pollination. Hummingbirds are among the smallest birds in the world, yet they are fiercely territorial and incredibly energetic, with heart rates that can exceed 1,200 beats per minute during flight. Their dazzling, iridescent feathers and remarkable flying abilities make them living jewels of the sky. The hawk is a sharp-eyed bird of prey found in many parts of the world, belonging to the same family as eagles and falcons. Hawks are skilled hunters, using their keen vision to spot small animals such as rodents, reptiles, and birds from great distances before swooping down with speed and precision. They are adaptable birds, thriving in forests, grasslands, and even urban areas. In many cultures, hawks are symbols of focus, leadership, and guardianship, admired for their strength and hunting prowess. Their presence is vital to maintaining balance in ecosystems. The house finch is a small, cheerful songbird native to North America. Recognizable by the red plumage on males and the streaked brown feathers of females. They are highly adaptable and thrive in cities, gardens, and open woodlands, often visiting backyard feeders. House finches feed mainly on seeds, berries, and small insects, and their pleasant songs make them a delight to birdwatchers. Social and lively, they often gather in flocks, especially in winter. Despite their modest size, house finches bring color, song, and life to many human environments. The ibis is a long-legged wading bird recognizable by its downward curved bill, which it uses to probe mud and shallow waters for insects, crustaceans, and small fish. Found in wetlands across the world, ibises often gather in large flocks, creating striking sights as they forage together. In ancient Egypt, the sacred ibis was revered as a symbol of wisdom and linked to the god Thoth. Today, these birds are admired for their elegance and ecological importance in keeping wetland habitats balanced. The Indian peafowl, commonly known as the peacock, is one of the most dazzling birds in the world, native to the Indian subcontinent. Males are famous for their magnificent tail feathers, or train, adorned with shimmering eye-like patterns that they fan out in elaborate courtship displays to attract females. These birds live in forests, farmlands, and villages, feeding on seeds, insects, and small reptiles. In Indian culture, the peacock is a national symbol representing beauty, pride, and grace. Its vibrant plumage and dramatic dances have made it one of the most admired birds on Earth. The jabiru is a large stork native to the wetlands and rivers of Central and South America, most commonly seen in the Pantanal of Brazil. Standing over 4 feet tall with a wingspan that can reach 9 feet, it is one of the tallest flying birds in the Americas. The jackdaw is a small species of crow found throughout Europe, Asia, and North Africa. Recognizable by its glossy black feathers, pale eyes, and gray nape, the jackdaw is an intelligent and social bird. They live in colonies and are often seen nesting in chimneys, tree hollows, and even old buildings. Jackdaws are opportunistic feeders, eating seeds, insects, small animals, and scraps from human settlements. They are known for their playful behavior and problem-solving skills, making them one of the more charismatic members of the crow family. The jay is a colorful and intelligent bird belonging to the crow family and found in woodlands across Europe, Asia, and North America. Known for its striking plumage, often a mix of blue, white, and black, the jay is also famous for its loud calls. Jays are highly resourceful, feeding on insects, nuts, seeds, and occasionally small animals. In autumn, they are known to hide acorns in the ground, unintentionally helping oak forests grow as some of these acorns sprout into trees. Their intelligence, adaptability, and bright colors make jays stand out among woodland birds. The lapwing is a striking wading bird recognized by its iridescent green and purple plumage, black and white coloring, and a distinctive crest on its head. Found in grasslands, wetlands, and farmland across Europe and Asia, lapwings feed on insects, worms, and small invertebrates. They are ground-nesting birds, often fiercely protective of their eggs and chicks. Performing aerial displays to distract predators. Known for their graceful flight and distinctive pee-wit call, lapwings are admired as beautiful and resilient birds of open landscapes. The lorikeet is a brightly colored parrot found in Australia, New Guinea, and nearby islands. Known for their rainbow-like feathers of red, green, yellow, and blue, lorikeets are among the most vibrant birds in the world. They have a unique brush-tipped tongue adapted for feeding on nectar and pollen from flowers, as well as fruits and berries. Lorikeets are very social and noisy, often seen flying in flocks and visiting gardens and parks. Their playful behavior and striking beauty make them a favorite among bird lovers. The mockingbird is a songbird best known for its incredible ability to mimic the sounds of other birds, animals, and even mechanical noises. Native to North and South America, the northern mockingbird is especially famous for its loud and varied songs, often singing both day and night. Mockingbirds are territorial and will fiercely defend their nests from intruders. They feed on insects, fruits, and seeds, playing a role in controlling pests and spreading plant seeds. In many cultures, the mockingbird symbolizes creativity and freedom of expression due to its unmatched vocal talents. The macaw is a large and brightly colored parrot native to Central and South America. Known for their vivid feathers in shades of blue, red, yellow, and green, macaws are among the most striking birds in the world. They live in tropical rainforests and savannas, where they feed on fruits, seeds, nuts, and sometimes clay from riverbanks, which helps neutralize toxins from their diet. Macaws are highly intelligent, with strong beaks that can crack open the toughest nuts and a remarkable ability to mimic human speech and sounds. They form lifelong bonds with their mates and are extremely social, often flying in pairs or flocks. Unfortunately, many species of macaws are endangered due to habitat loss and the illegal pet trade. In their natural environment, however, they are symbols of freedom, beauty, and the vibrant life of the rainforest.